Welcome to this tutorial on string methods in PowerShell. In this video, we'll explore essential operations for working with text. Strings are one of the most common data types you'll work with, and knowing how to manipulate them effectively is crucial for any PowerShell user. We'll cover methods like ToUpper, ToLower, replace, split, trim, and substring. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transform and manipulate text data with confidence. String methods are built-in functions that allow you to perform operations on text strings. Think of them as tools in your toolbox specifically designed for working with text. These methods can change the case of letters, replace specific words or characters, split text into multiple parts, remove unwanted spaces, and extract portions of strings. Every string in PowerShell comes with these methods already available, which means you can use them immediately without any additional setup. Let's start with two simple but useful methods, ToUpper and ToLower. These methods convert all characters in a string to either uppercase or lowercase. In this example, we have a variable named text containing the string hello PowerShell. When we call text.ToUpper with parentheses, it returns the entire string in uppercase. Hello PowerShell. Similarly, text.ToLower returns everything in lowercase. Hello PowerShell. These methods are particularly useful when you need to standardize text for comparison or display purposes. The replace method allows you to find and replace specific text within a string. Here we have a variable called message containing I love Python. To replace Python with PowerShell, we call message.replace and pass two arguments. First, the text we want to find, which is Python, and second, the text we want to replace it with, which is PowerShell. The output is I love PowerShell. This method is extremely useful for data cleaning, text formatting, and modifying file contents. The split method breaks a string into an array of substrings based on a delimiter or separator character. In this example, we have a variable named data containing apple, banana, cherry. When we call data.split and pass a comma as the argument, it splits the string at each comma and returns an array with three elements: apple, banana, and cherry. This is incredibly useful when working with comma-separated values, log files, or any structured text data that needs to be parsed into individual components. The trim method removes whitespace from both the beginning and end of a string. Whitespace includes spaces, tabs, and line breaks. In this example, the variable input contains the string hello world with extra spaces on both sides. When we call input.trim, it removes all leading and trailing spaces, returning just hello world without the extra whitespace. This is particularly helpful when processing user input or reading data from files where unwanted spaces might have been accidentally included. The substring method extracts a portion of a string starting from a specified position. Here we have a variable named text containing PowerShell. When we call text.substring with arguments 0 and 5, it extracts 5 characters starting from position 0, which gives us power. If we call text.substring with just the argument 5, it extracts everything from position 5 to the end of the string, giving us shell. Remember that string positions start at 0, so the first character is at position 0, the second at position 1, and so on. Let's see how we can combine multiple string methods together. Suppose we have an email variable containing user@example.com with extra spaces and all capital letters. To clean and normalize this email, we first call email.trim to remove the extra spaces, then immediately call .ToLower on the result to convert everything to lowercase. This technique is called method chaining. The final output is a clean, properly formatted email address, user@example.com. This demonstrates the power of combining multiple string methods to solve real-world data processing challenges.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.